Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about Samukeleni, specifically speaking about Dineo and Umelo Wuhle guys. At this point, with Dineo and Umelo Wuhle, they are carrying the show on their backs. Yezwa. This episode, I'm just like, Dineo no Smelo Wuhle, hi bonjalo, nizoboshwa yazi. Anyway, Utineo and Umeno Wuhle, they are at therapy. You'd remember the last time Tineo actually suggested that they actually go for therapy because she actually wants to give the marriage one last try before giving up. So when they get to therapy, I get Umeno Wuhle being Melo Wuhle looks bored. He feels quite frankly that he doesn't belong there because he feels like there's nothing wrong with him. There's nothing wrong he does. He's just like, oh, Tineo is the one who's mentally ill and she's the one who clearly needs to be here. And obviously, if you're going to try and make anything work out with the person who has that mentality, it's not going to work, guys. So, Tineo brings out in Dabayo Wuchi, she says that Umelo Wuhle likes dating apps. And apparently he said to someone or a girl on one of these dating apps that he likes their toes and that person's toes turns him on and blah, 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 blah. Umelo Wuhle says that he has never cheated on her. Like one thing I've noticed about Umelo Wuhle, he gaslights and he likes making Utineo seem as if the stuff that she's insecure about and the stuff that she speaks about, she's just getting them from nowhere. Because even the therapist said, which like, even though you can say you don't have a cheating history, the fact that you've been on an app and you're doing that creates insecurities in a relationship. But I guess to Smelo Wuhle that pretty much does not exist. Usmelo Wuhle then says in his diary session that what Utine was talking about the dating apps, that it's an old thing and Nakona, it happened only once. He says it only happened once, but he says that he guesses that Utine was mentally disturbed. Maybe that incident affected her or hurt her so badly that she's mentally disturbed. I'm just like, does this guy acknowledge that his actions, like, sure, Umelo Wuhle guys, even the way he speaks, you can tell that he's not even trying to be careful with his words, or he's not even trying to be sensitive with his words. Utine was sitting there, guys, and she's crying. The only thing he could do is just take tissue and offer tissue for her. Nothing in his face or in his demeanor says which he's uncomfortable because his wife is crying. He's not trying to hug her. He's not, nothing, guys, like nothing. So anyway, then Usmena Wuhle, Utineo actually says, when the therapist asks her, like, what are some of the issues that you are having with this marriage? Tineo brings up the thing of the finances, that she says that in her mind, she feels like when people are married, finance is something that they're supposed to both discuss together. But she feels like she is the sugar mama in this relationship because Umelo Wuhle, the only time he wants to talk or have a say in money is when it comes to her money. But when it comes to his money, he does not say anything. She does not have a say. He spends it the way he wants to. And then, guys, Umelo Wuhle then talks about something else. And I'm just like, Umelo Wuhle. Manda Wuhle speaks about a 50K that he says they stole together. They stole the 50K together, and he then says that 50K is the money that Begai Kulumela, is the money that he was basically having a say on. So when he's talking about it, he's basically referring to he's like the 50K that we stole together that we almost got arrested for. And then he goes on to say, like, do you want me to talk about it? And Utineo says, okay. Like the way Utineo responded, guys, for me, what I picked up is it looked like she knew very well what Usmelo Wuhle was talking about. She did not look surprised. She did not seem as if she did not understand what Umelo Wuhle was saying. Because I feel like if she was surprised, she was going to ask, like, what 50K able and Ukulumangani, what not. But even the way Umelo Wuhle, like, he kind of gave a warning sign, like, do you want me to talk about it? I feel like Umelo Wuhle was being spiteful. I personally feel, and guys, this is my opinion. I'm not saying that this is how it went down. This is my observation. I feel like Usmelo Wuhle did not lie about the 50K that they robbed together, or either Utineo did it alone and Umelo Wuhle was just benefiting from it. I feel like Usmelo Wuhle was just spiting Utineo. He was irritated at the things that Utineo was saying because he has the mentality that Utineo likes painting him in a bad light. He was irritated and he mentioned the 50K spoil, or the 50K money that they stole, out of spite. Because I'm just like, why, if you guys indeed stole money together, why the heck would you feel the need to come and mention into enkulu kangaka and implicate the two of you phambi kwabantu on national TV? Why would you do that unless you knew you were trying to spite Dineo, because Dineo has more to lose than you? I'm just like, Smelo Wuhle, that was just such a low blow. And I'm just like, that's Amutinewa. She didn't dispute it. She didn't argue with him. She just said, okay. And then he continued speaking. You know, when a person is just like, I'm not going to argue against something because we both know the truth, and go on and talk like, I don't know. It just seemed like she knew about it, and her arguing about it in front of Melo Wuhle was not going to make a difference because they both know the truth. I'm just like, hey, well, that time with Dineo on her diary session, she says that she's the one who's capable. She's the one on isibindi to steal money, not Umeno Wuhle. Umeno Wuhle doesn't have isibindi. I'm like, Dineo, umuhle kabi girl, ukuthi uyobhadlela ejele, please. Even if unesibindi and all of that, jail is not, the way I'm saying jail is not a good place, as if I know jail. But I'm just like, girl, you're too beautiful for that type of life. Shia pants, if you've done it before, even if unesibindi, these things never turn out well. So anyway, we see a scene girl where before that ends, Utineo says she's tired of, men. She just feels like all they do in her life has come to take. I must say that girl really looks like she's reached her breaking point. She's been saying that she's tired of men. Utineo herself has said, outside of the show, in our comment sections on this channel and on a couple of other comment sections on Twitter, that she has left Umelo Wuhle. We see another scene where she's having a conversation with her friend, basically letting in her friend about the whole conversation. Listen, Dineo tells her friend ukuthi like, "Ayibo, guy drops a bomb, says ukuthi we stole money together, like upinini, all of that, like basically saying ukuthi ayibo Smelo Wuhle, how could he like, say something so incriminating on national TV?" Listen, if that was me, I would have done the same move Dineo did. Even if I knew it to be true, I would have went and had a conversation with a friend just to make sure that I clear my name. Because listen, she had to clear her name. So I don't take that conversation or the conversation she had with her friend as her like meaning that she really didn't do it. I just take it as her basically making sure that she clears her name. And listen, the thing is, the way Umelo Wuhle is so spiteful, you guys, even if, like, I wouldn't be surprised even if this is not true, because that guy is just so spiteful, like he only looks out for himself type of thing. So anyway, she's telling a friend Wuchi, like, imagine this guy, like basically saying it's not true, and saying Wuchi she's done with men, and then also mentioning Wuchi girl has a sugar daddy, guys, not a sugar daddy, but she says there's a guy called Udzadi that gives her about 10K in a week, you guys. That guy, I won't let me to give her 10K in a week. Mind you, Tine was married, hey, and she's saying all of these things, but she's saying her relationship no Smelo Wuhle iyabanda, and that's the reason why she's entertaining other men. This guy, Udzedi, gives her about 10K, and Gafana at least her Mjolo benefits both her and her husband, because she takes that 10K and she shares it with Umelo Wuhle. Then she still has an ex who's trying to ask for love back or something like that. But there seems to be men in Dinewa's life who clearly want a piece of her as well, while Umelo Wuhle is acting high almighty. And I'm just like, this is just a recipe for disaster. Once people are, I mean, if Dineo is doing that, most definitely she feels like Umelobuhi is doing the same. Umelobuhi is full of lies, you guys. Even so, the trailer of next week where he's talking about his child, did he not say to Dineo that he doesn't have a child? I'm just like, this guy will make you go crazy, guys. That he'll make it look as if you're the one coming up with all of these things. I am just happy with Tinewa left this relationship because already he's making her seem as if she's just a person who's controlling what. And all I'm saying is that it takes two to tango. Anyway, guys, that is the recap of Utineo and Dumelo scene on the latest episode of Samukeleni. Yeah, this couple to no. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.